out of there?
Back that way.
How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. It is another day. Having a blast. Had some well, actually I was 100% expecting them the entire time. But I had some friends stop by. They went to the graduation for the class that we were just getting out of. Feels really weird leading a group ride. I'm not 100% comfortable with it yet. I'll show you who decided to stop by here in just a minute. If you can't already see one of them over my shoulder. Possibly, maybe, I don't know. Do that, there we go. I like that. Motorcycle croquet.
Alright, now that I got my helmet off, look who decided to visit. We'll come back to sit.
Howdy.
Fucking Spock. Come on, beautiful. There she is. The ringmaster herself. Yeah, I got presents. Oh, do you? Oh. But we're here at West Coast Taco Shop. I'm going to show them some of the good eatings. And see you guys later. Alright, so West Coast Tacos. This is Juice, and it's his first time. So me and Juice got the same thing. So he went with the Cali burrito. What did you guys get? Chicken fajita? Shrimp fajita. Okay. And they could have gotten, and I forgot to bring this up, the fajita nachos. I thought those are the nachos. Alright, let's get Juice's.
Real good. First bite, real good. I'm gonna go with the second bite. It's probably a third. Maybe even a fourth. I don't know. On the right side, on the inside, or too far from the restrooms.
Alright, so now that everybody's had a nice meal, and Sid gave me a present. This thing's fucking awesome. I think the camera got it, I don't know. Little brother on his moped. Nice moped, bro. What? Nice moped. Now we're gonna ride out to LBL. I guess I'm leading this one out. Alright, I will see you guys when we get to Land Between the Lakes. I'm big on the pig, baby. We're closing in on LBL. Had to see a ferry on the way into Dover. It's beautiful. Cool. It's different. How are we?
You want to go camp with us? Okay. If you can, scoot over to the right lane, come up to the window, and just bring one of your tags, and we'll get y'all all processed in. Y'all want one side or many sides?
We have we.
Hey, what's up?
All right, so we got Juice and Aaron checked in. Sid's gonna mooch.
Yeah.
I gotta charge my fucking Lexan when I get home. Damn dirty bikers. I'm so fucking confused. These signs don't make goddamn sense. That's what I thought, but the signs are pointing. Let's figure it the fuck out. I think so. I think it's. Yeah. There's gravel. There's gravel. There's gravel. Alright, so this is our little home away from home. I think I have the one across from you or you?
Oh, yeah, you should be like this.
Aaron! Is that me or is that me? I'm across from you, right?
You're 286, right?
I think so. Something like that.
Yeah, you're 285, so you...
I'll be right there.
That one right there.
Lit!
And then they put up literally hang this fucking hammock.
Yep, you won't catch me hanging my hammock on those, though. That's that poison badness.
Oh, yeah.
Yep. So I still can't find my stick, so you guys still get arm length. But we are here at Piney Campground. Aaron's doing Aaron things. Sid's prepping.
You need a stick?
And then Juice is doing...
I love lamp.
Juice is getting loose.
I love lamp. I'm actually drinking water.
Do you need a stick?
I had the other end on it.
Hold up, I have another end.
What are we putting the end to?
Inside you.
Oh. Do we have lube at least?
No.
Yes, it's called spit. Yeah.
This is our weekend. We're still waiting for Mike and Diana and Dave and Any Two Wheels and his lady friend. I feel bad because I can't remember her name.
And secret special guest.
And special guest if they decide to show up.
True, that isn't it.
Said person is a diva, so. But all in all, beautiful spot. I will be set up over there tomorrow. Not that you guys are going to realize because it's just going to be a... And I'm back here. But sure, we got a nice little piece of heaven. Juice is set up over there, so we got extra room. For those of you that wanted to come and didn't. Sorry. But the Weirdos have almost assembled. Almost.